This time we are going to break this object into pieces. So the things we are to do, we go back to here when HP equal to 0 or less than 0, we gain over. So we destroy the object here using the destroy. Destroy this object. So let me see. No, we should put this one under the object HP. Actually, we can do that in here too. Maybe this is the easiest way to do that. We can do this one if current what's going on, it didn't show up. Let's make a compiler in here, so nothing wrong. If current HP less than 0, we destroy the scan object. There's something wrong in here. Let me reopen this one. Come on, come on. Let's make a compiler again. Let's double check what's going on in here. If current health, current HP. Let's redo this one. Update in here. If current, okay, now we are going back. Then we destroy game object. I don't know which part went wrong. It just didn't show up and keep telling me there's an error. So right now it's okay, right? It looks pretty good right now. Let's try and see if this object can be destroyed. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, it can be destroyed. And this time, let's try. After destroy, we want to replace another pieces with the rigid body object. So we're doing something like this. Game object. Object pieces is fine. And after we destroy, we will instantiate this object in here. Let's say give a temp variable, instantiate this object piece as game object. So let's duplicate this one and pieces. Actually, we should create an empty object and copy this name in here and put this one under here. And we don't need this one, we just remove. We need a capsule collider and we should make this one smaller pieces like this. To match the shape. A little bit bigger is fine. And then we create a second one. Just put in here. So let's hide this one and add a rigid body to it. This time we need gravity. For doing this, we need to do some tests. Before we do that, we create a floor underneath it. Let's change back to the perspective view. Make it like bigger, but thinner. A little bit bigger, thinner. Okay, when we hit the play, before we hit the play, we need to save the project and save the same first, and hit the play. Okay. To make it looks more like a natural collision, return it a little bit like this, and try again. Nope. A little bit angle in here. And in there. So see how it looks like. Okay, looks good to me. and we make this one as a prefab. We delete this one, save the sim again. Let's rename this one to floor. We turn on this cylinder again and add this cylinder piece to the object piece column. See if it's got instantiated properly. Keep clicking. Okay, so it breaks into pieces successfully. Let's save the sim and save the project again.